Why has Ziploc been around forever? It's because they're so good and so worth it. I like this multi-pack because I got so many and it was way more affordable than buying them individually at the grocery store. I've got my 2-gallon bags. One is for the freezer and one is regular. But what I really like about it is it's designed to stay open. So it's designed so when you're actually putting things in here, you're not having to try to hold this too. So that's what's great. If you meal prep or you make freezer meals or just anything, whether you even use this for food or storage, whatever you're doing, it's just so nice to have it where it stays open like that. So this is the quart size that does the same. That just stays open for you. And then you've got the sandwich bag, and there's 145 in here, but you get so much bang for the buck with these. And I use them all the time, not just for food, but in my craft room, for my dog stuff. Just, you know, you always need things like this, the ones that stand up on its own. I like that you can reuse them over and over. I also like that they are BPA free and phthalate free, so you can't go wrong with these.